So today we are going to discuss about RPM. So Red Hat Package Manager. So when you install the operating system, by default, some packages are going to be installed. So depending upon the requirement of the server, as a Linux administrator, you have to install the new packages and you have to upgrade the existing packages. If there any unnecessary packages are there, you have to delete those packages. So every operating system is nothing but a collection of software programs. Those are nothing but a packages, whether it is Windows or Linux or Solaris, whatever it may be. So in Linux, the package management is called RPM. So Red Hat Package Manager. So each software program consists of files and directories, most of which must be located in a particular place on the file system. See, after installation of Linux, you can see configuration files are etc, bin files are library files are located under lib directory, binary files are located under bin directory. Like that, different locations the files will be stored. So automatically, when we are going to install the packages, depending upon the files, they will store in their own locations. So how the packages are introduced in Linux? So in Linux, the software program distributed in RPM format. So RPM means Red Hat Package Manager. They given the name RPM format. It is a file format. So all the files and directories compressed together into one RPM file. That is nothing but a package. So at the time of installation of the RPM means package, these files and directories are uncompressed and stored different locations in the file system. So just now we discussed, when you install a package, automatically depending upon their configuration or library files or binary executable files, so they will store in their locations. So here how we will manage the packages. By using RPM command, we can install or verify or manage and remove the packages. See, we have only one command to manage the packages in Linux, that is RPM. So command also RPM. So by using that command only, you can install or you can verify or you can manage, you can remove the packages. So to install a package, RPM space -i package name. So to see the information of a package, sir, verbose. While installing, if you want to know, verbose means whatever the command I executed, so the output I want to see on the screen, that is nothing but a verbose. -h means it will display the percentage, 100% installed, 80% or 20% or 40%. Capital U to upgrade a package. So there is a version 2.2.2, new version came, so you have to upgrade it. Next to -e, erase. Erase means removing the package, deleting the package. -q, you can run the query against a package. So -a, all, query all. So nodeps, without dependency. Some packages are depended by other packages. So you can, while you can install the packages, while you can delete the packages, it will give the error. There is a dependencies. So if you want to use without dependencies, we can use these options. -force. So already package is installed. So if you want to install again forcefully, you can use the option -force. -replace files. If you want to replace the existing files in a package, you can use these options. So now we are going to see how practically we are going to see the package management. So in interview point of view, they will ask the question, what is package means? You have to give the answer. A package is a collection of files and directories. So it is a software program. So when we install a package, automatically the related files goes to the related directories. So in Linux, the package format is RPM format. So RPM is a file format. So all the files and directories compressed together into one RPM file. So when you download the package or when you install a package, automatically it will uncompress it stores the files and directories on their own locations. So you have to give the answers like this. Now, by default, all the packages are available from the Linux operating system, software CD or DVD. Additional packages which are not in CD or DVD, we have to download the packages from internet. So sometimes if you want to configure any softwares like Oracle database, Big Data Hadoop, or like DevOps tools we have Ansible, Kubernetes, like we have different softwares. We are going to IBM WebSphere. So they will give these are the packages are required to configure these servers. So you have to check whether the package is available in the DVD or not. If it is not available, you can go to Red Hat site. You can search the package. You can download the packages. So by default, all the packages are available from the DVD. So additional packages you can download from the Red Hat site. So if anybody using the CentOS, just you have to run the command m update automatically, it will install packages. Yum server we are going to discuss after this. So log into your Linux server. See, while installing, by default, what are the requirement packages are there, those only install. Now, depending upon our requirement, we are going to install the packages. So, if you want to configure the servers like FTP, NFS, Samba, DNS, DHCP, like we are going to discuss all these servers, NIS server, Kickstart server. So, we have to check whether the related packages are there or not. If they are not installed, you are going to install. This is common scenarios, common tasks in real-time scenarios. They will ask many questions on this package management. So now see installed packages in the system first. What is the command? RPM space -QA. So Q means query, A means all. Query all. Enter. So it shows these are all installed. At the time of we install Linux OS, by default these packages are installed. So sometimes they will ask the question how many number of packages are installed. RPM space -QA pipe WC -L. So 1061 packages are already installed. Now I want to install a new package. So for example, I want to set up FTP server. The FTP related package is VSFTPD. So first I want to check whether the package is installed or not. To search a package, if it is installed or not, command is rpm space -q space package name VSFTPD. Like that, every server has its own packages. So in server management, we are going to discuss one by one. So package VSFTPD is not installed. You are getting this error. So while installing, it is not installed. Now I want to set up FTP server. For example, I want to install the package. So already I told you by default, all the packages are located under VSFTPD. Sorry, located under Linux software CD or DVD. So in Windows, if you open my computer, it shows your drive, DVD drive. You can put the DVD, you can double click on this, it will open. Now in Linux, we have to mount the DVD. So to mount the CD or DVD, the command is mount space //CD-ROM. This is the syntax /media. So your CD or DVD data is mounted into media directory. Now go to media, check whether the software is mounted or not. Your data is Windows graphical mode, double click, it shows your data. But Linux, how do you see your DVD data? Go to media directory because I mounted it. Now ls, see this is the media data. This is the Red Hat Linux CD or DVD data. There is a directory packages. So it is a capital P. All the packages are located in this directory. Now go to the packages directory. So CD capital P. So capital P is, if you give small p, it will not recognize. So give the command ls, it shows all the packages here. See, you can identify the Linux packages with RPM, .rpm. This is not extension name, only identification purpose. How do you identify Linux packages means you can tell .rpm. Now I want to know how many packages are there. ls wc space -l. So total 3432 packages are available, but unnecessary, no need to install all the packages. Depending upon the requirement, we have to install. Already installed packages are 1061. Previously only we seen those packages. Now I want to install vsftpd package. So rpm is the command to install a package. -i install v verbose h %display package name vsf. So no need to give the complete name. Just for any package, give the 3 or 4 characters. Press tab button. Press tab. Automatically it will come. So this is the package name. This is the 2.2.2 is the version. 6.elx means Enterprise Linux 6. This is the release. So architecture is 64-bit package. So .rp means package identification name. So sometimes somebody they will work on 32-bit operating system. They are trying to install 64-bit package. It cannot be installed. So that is the reason we have to check the architecture of a package 64-bit. Nowadays we are all are using 64-bit only. There is no 32-bit widely using. All are 64-bit pin. No problem. Now enter. Now the package is installed. Now to check the complete information of a package. Now check the package installed or not. rpm-q package name. So previously when we given this command before installation, package is not installed, message came. Now it shows package is there. Now I want to know the complete information of a package. rpm space -qi package name. So it shows the complete information of a package. So name of the package, version just now explained, release, installation date and time, and group system environment demands, size of the package, how many bytes, 33 KB I think. So signature key of the package, when the signature key is designed, and who is the packager, Red Hat Incorporation. So what is the summary of package? Very secure FTP daemon, vsftpd. So which purpose we are using? It is a secure FTP daemon. When the package is built, the date and time, who is the vendor of the package. So like this, interview point of view, they will ask any question. How do you know the version of the package? This is the answer. How do you know the release of the package? This is the answer. How do you know the installation date and time of a package? This is the answer. How do you know the signature of the package? This is the answer. How do you know the package summary? This is the answer. How do you know the when the package is build date? This is the answer. How do you know the who is the vendor of the package? This is the answer. See, this much of questions will generate by using single command. rpm space -qi package name. Next, already we discussed a package is a collection of files and directories. I want to know the files and directories of a package. rpm space -ql package name. It shows the related files and directories of this package. So some files and directories are located under USR. Some files are located under var. Maybe some files are located under etc. Like already we discussed, when you install a package, files and directories are located in different places on the file system. Next, next intro question, how to see the configuration files of a package. rpm space -qc package name. So these are the configuration files of a package. So all the configuration files are located under etc directory. Now how to see the documentation files of a package? rpm space -qd package name. So these are the documentation files like readme files. So you can read the concept of the particular configuration. Next to, how do you know the status of files in a package? For example, if you upgrade the packages or if you replace the files, you have to check the status. rpm space -qs package name. So status of files are normal. There is no changes. Next to, so there is a file. For example, ls is a file. This is a binary executable file. I want to know the related package of this file. So to know the related package of a file, so first of all, you have to know the path where is ls command is located. So in bin directory only, but if you don't know the path, you can type the command where is ls. So it displays. So ls under /bin. Now I want to search for a package of this file. So rpm -qf/bin/ls. It shows the package. So core utils is the package for ls command. So if you remove the core utils package, ls command will not work. So many basic commands will not work. So mengp dir, chmod, cp, mb, all these commands will come by installing this package. So if you ls command is not found, means the package may be deleted. We have to install the package. Now to remove the package, rpm space -e package name vsftpd. Now check whether it is removed or not. Package is not installed. Just now I removed. So I am trying to remove another package ypbind. Sorry, ypbind is installed. I want to remove. rpm space -e ypbind. Now see, error came. Failed dependencies. So some packages are depended by other packages. So here you can see the message ypbind is needed by installed yptools. So this is depended by yptools. So I want to remove yptools. See, again error came. Failed dependency. See, yptools is needed by ypbind. See, both packages are depended by each and other. So if you try to remove ypbind, error is coming. If you try to remove yptools, error is coming. So how to remove the dependency packages? They will ask the question in interview. So to remove the dependency package, rpm space -e ypbind. You can take any other package also, yptools also. -- nodeps. Now it removes. Then remove yptools. Both are removed. So like this you can remove the dependency packages. Now how to install the dependency packages? Now go to cd/media/packages directory. Already we mounted the DVD. Now here all the packages are there. Now rpm space -ivh ypbind tab. So here if I give the press enter, it give the message failed dependency. So yptools is needed by ypbind. So if you try to install yptools, same error will come. This is dependent by that one. So I want to install the dependency packages. -nodeps. First one package you have to install like this. Then you have to install the other package. yp space -tools. Like this we can install the dependency packages. How to upgrade the package? rpm space -U VH package name. For example, I am giving this one. Automatically the version will be upgraded. So to upgrade a package, you have to use the option -U. Next to, so uname -R, this is the kernel release interview. This question compulsory ask. So this is the kernel release, kernel new version 2.6.32 is there. Maybe they will install, they will release the new version, new kernel version. I like kernel release 2.7 point something. But they will ask the question, when the kernel new version came, how do you update it? They will ask the question in interview. So we can generally give the command rpm space hyphen capital UVH, means it will upgrade the kernel to new version. So new version is not working properly, the server is not booting. So that is the reason when you are going to update these critical packages, first of all you have to install the package. So when you install a package, old version is available, new version is available, both will work. So if you select new version, it will boot properly, then you can set next servers onwards, you can upgrade it. But first time R&D purpose, you cannot upgrade the package directly, some critical packages, so you have to install them. So old version will available, new version is also available. If new version is working properly, then remaining servers you can apply upgrading option. This point you have to remember. In interview point of view, they will ask the question. Now the scenario is, so rpm is a offline, so you have to download the packages, you have to install or upgrade whatever it may be, you have to do. But nowadays the environment is entirely online. So online package manager they released, that is yum server. So in Windows we have a concept is called WSUS, Windows Software Update Service. Or if you have a laptop, if you have internet connection, if you have a authorized Windows software, you can get the pop-up messages. There is a new Adobe Reader version is there, do you want to install or later? There is a new version is there, there is a new update is there, some messages will come. Like that in Linux, we have to set up a server is called yum. Yum means yellow dog updater update modified. This is like online package management server. So yum is an interactive rpm based background, rpms only work, rpm based package manager. It can automatically perform system updates and resolving the dependencies. This is important point. So previously we seen just now rpm dependencies we have to check and we have to delete one by one. So we have only one dependency is there. Some packages can have 20 dependencies, we cannot go for each and everything, it is very difficult. So yum automatically resolve the dependencies. So it can automatically perform system updates and resolving the dependencies based on package repository repository metadata. So repository means all the packages compressed into one database file. It reads the database file. M server requires the database file, so it reads the database. It can also install new packages, comma upgrade the packages, comma upgrade or remove the packages. So whatever we done so far by using rpm, yum automatically it will do, but we have to use some commands. Upgrade or remove the packages, upgrade or remove, and provide queries of the packages. So this is a online package management server. See, by default when you are going to use the real-time servers, already yum predefined configuration will come. So if you are using CentOS, for example, direct connected to internet, if you are using Ubuntu server connected to internet, so Ubuntu apt-get command, so remaining all flavors yum command. So if you are using CentOS, for example, connected to the internet, Directly you can give yum update, automatically update your server. But RHL, we are using the free software, so we are don't have any authorized. If it is authorized by default, yum server setup will come. So that is the reason. If you connect to internet also, here automatically will not update. But real time interview point of view, already yum server is by default is configured. By default, the configuration file will come with OS. But why I am telling this configuration? In interview point of view, they will ask the question, I have 100 servers. I don't have any internet connection. So I have the internet connection only one server. So remaining servers I don't have. Internally, I want to use M server. How to set up M server? Please explain. They will ask the question. So how to set up your own M server? They will ask the question. So this is the process. Now we are going to see how to set up the M server. So first we have to copy all the packages, configuration of M server. So we are going to create the repository database. See, by default repositories are available in your DVD. So go to cd/media ls command. See here, there is a directory repo data is there. Go to repo data. So repository means combining all the packages into a database file. So here repository files are there. So you can copy these files, you can use these files as a repositories. But I want to explain you how to create the repository your own, how to set up repository by using your commands. We are going to see. So interview we can tell there is a repo data directory you can copy, but they will not ask the question like that. How to you create a repository? So now we are going to create a repository. So first copy all the packages, create one directory mkdir/dump. So cp-rf/media/packages space star. I want to copy into dump directory. So I given the complete path already we seen in basic commands. So cp space -rf space/media/packages space star. All the packages I want to copy into dump directory. So if you are in the directory, directly you can use cp space -rf star/dump. But we are outside of the directory, that is the given, I given the complete path. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes time to copy the packages because 3432 packages are going to be copied. So real times they will do the packages dump like this because every time you cannot use DVDs. So just they will dump all the packages in one server. They will set up FTP server. Automatically the remaining systems they can connect FTP server. What their requirements are there, they will download that packages. They will install because you cannot provide each and every server packages dump. Only one server you can keep the dump. So access the dump into FTP server. Remaining clients connect to FTP server. They can download the packages. So if you give the option V or VF, V means verbose. So it will show each and file package how copying. So somebody they will think it is not copying, it is take more time. They will give the command control C or they will close, but it will take time. So if you want to see the procedure, you can use the V. Now go to dump directory, check the packages. ls cd/dump. So packages are not copied. Now what we are going to do, go to cd/media, go to the path. So these are the packages. Now here we are doing cp space -rvf. Previously syntax may be wrong. Star dump. See, it's showing now. See, if you want to see any output in Linux, whether it is a transaction is going or not, you can use the option V. So it shows whether it is doing well or not, it is going to be correct or not. So, okay, all the packages are installed. Now go to dump, check the packages. So all the packages are installed. Now I want to create the repository database. So we have to install some required packages to configure the repository. So first one is go to dump directory, no need to go DVD. Now already we copied all the packages. So load disk space more. So we have to check the disk space error is coming. cd/dump. Let's type more some other database copied here. So now creating the database, install the required packages. Three packages we have to install: rpm space hyphen ivh delta rpm. So enter. So file system is full. See, our root file system is full. That is the reason it is not allowing. So what I am doing, I am removing the dump directory again. Now df-h. Now see, the space is free, 37% only used. Now again we are going to copy, go to media, packages, create the dump directory mkdir/dump. Previously the entire operating system copied into this dump directory. cp space -rf */dump. I am giving rvf. So go to the package directory, then give that command. Packages are installed. Now go to dump directory. So install the check the packages. Packages are installed. Now install the required packages to configure the create repository database. rpm space -ivh delta rpm. Just give the tab. It is installed. rpm space -ivh. Another package python delta rpm python delta rpm. Next package create repo rpm space -ivh create repo. So install these three packages. Now creating the repository database command is create repo space -v. Where the packages are located, dump directory, there the repository is creating. So already DVD I showed the repositories. You can copy them and you can directly configure M server. But here I am showing you how to configure your own repository. Total this 3,431 packages are compressed into one database file. That is the repository database files. So these packages are combining into a database file. So if you have a don't free space, the errors will come. We have to check the free space. Now we are having enough space. So repository is created. Now check the repository database. Go to cd/dump/repo data. So this is the repository we created now. So now you have to set up M server. So go to cd/etc. See, real times you no need to set up, by default setup will come. But interview point of view, if they will ask you how to set up the M server, I am telling you. Go to m.repos.d directory, give the command ls. Here already example file is there. Remove this because we don't have uh, authorized software. Remove this. We have to create our own file. So open vi space rh.repo. So one file you have to open. You can give any name. I given rh.repo. So here in brackets give the repository name pkg.repo. I am giving the name. So in brackets pkg.repo. So name equal to Red Hat packages. So no spaces. Name, no space, name equal to. Then no space, you have to write your own description. Base URL equal to. How to access the package? Real times we are using the FTP server. Now we don't have FTP server. So base URL equal to file server, file colon / where the packages are located, dump directory. Enabled equal to 1. GPG check equal to 0. So for signature key, I don't want to check. That is the reason I given enabled 1, GPG 0. So if you want to check the signature key for each and every package, then reverse. GPG check equal to 0, enabled equal to 1. Save the file. Now you can check whether your M server is working or not. M list. So it reads the package repository. Then see, it reads the package repository. It shows installed and available packages. M list. This command displays installed and available packages. So it gives the complete. pkg.repo means these packages are available. So these are available in repository. Now, particular package I want to check, mlist vsftpd. Is it available or not? So it is installed. So installed or not? Installed. So I want to remove the package. Remove package name vsftpd. So it search for the dependencies. Yes. Package is removed. Now see mlist zsh. Shell package is available or installed? It is available. So now I want to install yum install zsh. Simple commands. See, it is going to be installed. Yes, it is installing. Next to resolving, already we discussed yum automatically resolve the dependencies. So previously by using RPM, when we try to remove YP bind, error came. Now we have to check here. Yum remove YP bind. See, automatically it resolves the dependencies also. See, both it is going to be removed. Yes. While installing also, it resolve the dependencies. YP bind -y means automatically give the yes. See, automatically resolving the dependencies. both are installing. So this is the real-time scenarios we are going to use now. Nowadays M server only, but interview point of view, they will ask some questions on RPM. You have to remember to update the M server, M update. If you are connected to internet, if you have authorized software, by default your server is going to be update. So in cron jobs, automatically they write every day morning 3 a.m. update the M server. They will return this job automatically every day. All servers is going to be update. So this is the class of RPM and M server. Next we are going to discuss about backup and restore chapters next class. Okay.